welcome back to a brand new video. So it's the weekend in Blackpool. The temperatures are still extremely hot, not as hot as they have been, but Blackpool is certainly a lot busy. You just see all the Seedles there just waiting for those drop crisps, the bit of burger or whatever people are sort of munching away on. You can see there. So come and join me as we just explore Blackpool to see how busy it is on this scorching weekend. And just dropped near the beach, or dropped, shall I say, my English is getting really bad, but just dropped near the beach, just a bit of a beach shot really, because it's certainly getting quite busy. So it's around 1 o'clock on Saturday, and it just shows, a bit of nice weather. And during the week, there was literally about sort of 5 people on the beach. So it just shows that, during the week when people are working and at school, that Blackpool is a little quiet, but come Friday and Saturdays it is very busy. So let's keep the camera rolling for a minute, so you can just take in a bit of the atmosphere. You can see all the Seedles, look at that. So that's from the shower, that water there, and you can see they're getting a bit of a drink from the fresh water. But yeah, the beach is certainly busy today, and this is always a very popular side of the beach, which is just near Central. You can see that Central Pier just in the distance. But in the next few years it's certainly going to be changing with all the sea defences, all the rocks, and the landscape is going to be completely different. Everyone is going to be sort of segregated into like little compartments, because of the rocks, or dividing every sort of 150 feet or something. It's going to be a strange one looking. And as I mentioned, so the sand, it doesn't actually go down that far. It only goes down around 1.5 meters. So just you can just see the donkeys are out today. So I'd imagine they'll get a well-earned rest later on, especially in this heat. And we just briefly came all the way to the south side, and this is always a great patch. You see all the green grass, and it stems all the way right to Central. It does get very, very busy. You see all the people with the picnics. In fact, there's a family there, you see, with the picnics and the tables. So it does get, really, really busy along this stretch. And just landed near the Blamane Mount Hotel on Craigiedown. And the reason we just stopped here is just to give a bit of a shout out to Graham, Claire, Kyle Etherington. And they're coming down on holiday very, very soon. So I hope you have a safe trip and a smashing time at your favourite hotel. Just near the Central Pier, and each of the piers, the North, Central and South, are absolutely heaving today. And you see you've got all the, it's a loud bite that. And these have been going for years. You can get your own balloon, and you often see the balloons in the sky where they've been let go. But like I said, you can grab all different shapes and characters of the balloons there. Like I said, there's something in Blackpool for everybody, and you can just see how busy Blackpool is. It's like the old traffic wardens are doing the rounds also. Tram horns are going and all sorts, and we've got motorbikes up here. Look at this. What a day in Blackpool. Like I said, people are certainly making the most of this absolutely scorching weather. A lot of people are indoors. Normally you get the elderly people indoors, which I don't blame them. It can get very, very hot. And it's absolutely perfect weather also for flying a kite. And you see this gentleman is selling the kite. So if you're on Blackpool Promenade, absolutely scorching weather for, and it's like a nice little breeze as well. You grab your own kite, that'll certainly entertain the kids for a while. And just near the Wetherspoons, the Albert and the Lion, and you see plenty of people just enjoying the sunshine with the with the drinks, and they certainly will be flowing today. So I think we're going to have a bit of a hydration break like the footballers. So I'm actually joined by Daily Vlog Adventure today. He's wandered out for a bit of fresh air. So we're going to have a hydration break, a wonderful little cafe. Give that a bit of review as well. But you can see many people are outside. Look how busy it is. And that's always a very popular one, Coraline. I imagine a lot of people will be there. I think they've got air conditioning as well in that one. Certainly need it in this weather. So little ice cream shops and the parlours will be absolutely heaving today. And like I said, this is the time where the local businesses do make the money, because it is a very long winter in seaside towns. There's Coraline. See, they're queuing up for all the ice creams and the slushies. Look at that. And I got an ice cream the other day. As soon as you have it, as soon as you sit down, it's half melted. You got to be so quick. It goes all down here, and they give you a little napkin, and that gets absolutely soaked straight away. So you got to be really quick in having them. You won't be getting them and taking them over to the beach. They'll be melted by the time you get there. Like I said, a very busy day in Blackpool. Makes a lovely change seeing the town like this. Look at the crowds on that side. And just gonna stay on this side, just give you a bit of an atmospheric shot of how many people are walking about. Like I said, sometimes it's just nice to do a video just capturing life in the moment. So everything is open, all the rides, the Pleasure Beach is open, Blackpool Tower is open. So there's so many attractions. There's Sea Life, Madame Tussauds, they're all open. You see the horses are out. So it's not as hot as it has been, but I think people prefer this temperature. Look at this, you can't even get past, even squeeze past here. So like I said, we're going to have a bit of a hydration break. And we'll see you at this little cafe. Not a really review, but it's going to rate it. Apparently it's got some fantastic feedback. And it's one of Blackpool's little hidden gems, just off the beaten track and just on Dale Street. I thought let's have a walk past as we're venturing back into the north side, and just look at the queues once again. So there's huge queues for the Noche Dani ice cream in the South Shore, and you can see Chris is not alone. Look at that, queues outside, queuing up for that famous Poundberg, and also you got the Howarth's prize bingo there, but that's the queue for Chris. Like I said, he's been on the news recently also. So he is, like I said, quite a famous guy. And just near the Grand Theatre, you can see this also whipped through these guys, and you can see they've got a little nice sort of cart you see with all the England merchandise ready for tonight. I think they're playing at 10 o'clock, but you can see they've got all the goodies there, the flags, the hats. Look at that, I think someone's having a bit of a thumb there, but that's a great thing, showing the support. So that is the end of today's video. Sadly, that wonderful little cafe was actually closed today. So normally it is open, but sadly it was closed. But we'll pop into there another day. Like I say, it's a fantastic little spot, and I'm excited about doing a bit of a review on that one. But what an absolutely fantastic day. We're just going to end just near the cabin lift in Bisbane. So I hope you have enjoyed a bit of a video just showing you a bit of life from normally, a bit of street life, how Blackpool is on a nice sunny day for a change. So until next time, make sure you look after yourself, stay safe in the heat. It is cooling down in a lot of places, a bit more comfortable for everybody. But until next time, look after yourself. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified of all the upcoming videos, and it just helps the channel out. And just lastly, just before I go, I won't drag the outro out too long, but we've hit 22,000 subscribers on YouTube. Absolutely phenomenal. We're actually quite far past that now. And also we're coming up for 69,000 followers on Facebook. So that's what, 69,000, that's over 90,000 followers just between Facebook and YouTube, plus TikTok. So we're coming up to nearly 100,000 followers on all platforms. Absolutely amazing. So thank you everybody, you've made the channels grow. Thank you everybody for that. But until next time, look after yourselves, stay safe. It's a bye from me, and it's a bye from North Shore for a change. Take care everybody, bye bye.